Alright, today we're going to paint a galaxy, so watch out.
So what is Kibrin in Korean?
Alright, let's roll through the colors.
Primary cyan, ultramarine blue, titanium white, Mars black, twin red, pearly red, burnt umber, yellow ochre, primary yellow, phthalo green, twin blue.
Let's get the party started. We laid in kind of the base layer, kind of a little white here to kind of brighten up the middle again. We're going to add in translucent layers here. Again, we're going to start mixing in the gloss, so that's going to make a really nice juiciness to it as it dries, and then probably add some kind of texture to the middle as well. So wish me luck. Alright, this layer we're going to add a little bit of black highlights in here, so this will give it kind of a negative space. So you're going to have, it's been very colorful so far, so now we're going to add that kind of dead space where there's no stars at all. Alright, we finished the black. What we're going to do now is add in kind of the white spirals as well as darken this purple to red here. Alright, at this point we're going to add color to the spirals as well as darken the edges, so make this kind of come together. Right now it's very light on the outside, so you got to have a lot of contrast. So the bright, and then you want some dark at the edges. Alright, so for this particular painting, I think we need to darken the edges. It's a little bit too light in these areas, not enough purple, so there leads more variation between the purple reds and maybe a stronger middle, so we'll see. It's kind of coming together. I got the swirls is kind of nice, but yeah, we're almost there.
So Kibrin is the sense of face. So everyone's all heard of how Asian the appearance is very important. And so what this leads to is you always want to have a culture of harmony between the two parties. So if something can't be done or just outrageous, usually what will happen in Korea, they'll tell a white lie to keep the harmony between the parties. So lying is not seen as offensive, it's seen as a way of keeping peace between the two parties when you're in disagreement. So that's why it's very difficult to get sometimes agreements. Maybe why the the Korean War led to a armistice versus actual peace treaty. All right, that's my question of the day. All right, guys, we just finished, so let's take a closer look at the painting. So I can have this nice dark black in the corners, maybe a little bit too black. It doesn't blend in some areas as well as I wanted to. I really like the black highlights. The center is pretty nice with this yellow, orange mist. I think this is probably the best out of my current series of galaxies. So hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.